Hello everyone, welcome to Raby Kid Food, a channel which deals with delicacies and recipes. So guys, thank you for tuning back to Raby Kid Food. If you are new in this channel, feel welcome, view my videos, like, share, subscribe. And for normal subscribers, thank you for always tuning back to Raby Kid Food. And I always request you to browse through the membership of this channel, join and get a pack. And for those who are interested with my videos, please throw your packs. Otherwise, thank you back. And today I just want to do some fish, tilapia. For the past few videos, I've been doing Nile perch, and now this time around, I'm going to do tilapia. And for the tilapia, I'm going to spice it. To spice it at the same time, grill it. So keep tuned. Tilapia that I'm going to do. So I'll just start by making a slit. I'm making this slit so that I can marinate. And for marination, we do it also to make it at least add some flavors to it. One, and secondly, also for this, we make this slit so that everything that we're going to put in here, all the spices will get well into the fish. Keep tuned. So my fish are clean. In this channel, I'd shown you how to wash tilapia well. I've already removed the scales, the fins, and I've washed it. So if you want to see how that is done, just go through this channel and see. So the slits doesn't matter how many you do, but it will depend on how spicy you want it. So these are these. So I'm going to start by marinating using salt and spices. Keep tuned. So I'll just sprinkle some salt to it. After that, I have my blended garlic. I'm going to use this garlic as well. I'm through with the garlic, so next I'm going to add some paprika. So guys, these are my fish now. This is how they look. So I'll give it a little bit time while I'm preparing my oil. Then I'm going to deep fry them first. So keep tuned, guys. So I've just placed my oil to heat, just to in preparation for my fish. So as I've told you, I'm going to deep fry my fish first. And guys, the oil has to be very, very hot. If you're deep frying fish, if you don't let the oil to be hot, it will get stuck onto the pan. So make sure it is really, really hot. So keep tuned, guys. So guys, I'll just deep fry this now. So I'll start with this one. You have to pour some oil on top of it, especially if it's not, the whole body is not in oil. You make sure you swing, and then make sure you swing it also as well, to ensure that it doesn't stick to the pan. So when you want to turn, make sure you use the other side, this other side, compared to this, because it will be easy for you to turn it, and you be careful when you're turning. So guys, you can see my fish. I have a reason why I'm not deep frying it deeply, because it's supposed here to be changed brown. So because I'm still going to grill it, that's why I'm just taking it out now. So keep tuned, guys. So guys, that is step one. Keep tuned still. It has been deep fried in oil, but not fully made. So what I'm going to do next now, I'm going to add some spices to it. So keep tuned. I have paprika, red chili. Here I have garam masala. Here I have fish masala. Here I have mixed spices, some red chili, and dark soy sauce. And then I'm going to have some lemon flavor. Keep tuned. I have some lemon. I'm just going to add some lemon juice to it. And lastly, I'm going to add some oil to it. So guys, that's all. I'll mix up everything. So keep tuned, guys. So guys, as I told you, my fish doesn't need to be so well deep fried. So I'm just going to take it out as well. These are my fish now. I'm now going to grill them. So before I grill, I'll add some lemon flavor again onto them to give them a nice taste. All the mix that I had made, so I'm going to apply them inside this fish. So I'll just transfer it there at once, change it that way. Guys, this fish is looking yummy, 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 yummy. It's already looking tasty even before I grill it. So just keep tuned and see how my fish is going to come out. And the other side as well. So keep tuned as I now bake them. So this is it. So I've already preheated my oven, and now I'm going to bake it. So I'll not place them up. I'll put them there. You can see, and I'm not going to put so much heat because I'd already fried. So keep tuned, guys. As my fish is still grilling, I'm going to make some kachumbari to use it. So guys, keep tuned. This is red onion. This is Kenyan kachumbari, Kenyan style of doing kachumbari. So here I have this tomato. So it will depend on how you want it to be done. If you want small ones, if you want big ones, now it all depends on you. So this is how I'm going to do mine. The onion has to be more than the tomatoes have to be more than the onions. I'll continue with the other one. So I have this lemon. I'm not going to mix lemon with this. To blend it with the fish. Keep tuned. To be a bit tasty, you can add some salt to it. Give it a good mix. You can see this. So these ones are just waiting for my fish. So let me just check if my fish is ready. My fish is done. It is done, and you can see. You can see. Have a look at my fish. Really, really nice, spicy. Oh. So guys, I'm just going to serve them, and I'm going to use serve it with ugali and some kachumbari. So keep tuned. So guys, you can see one of my fish here. You can see how well it is done. It is well cooked. So what I'm going to use to serve it, I'll just serve it with some kachumbari, Kenyan kachumbari. And some lemon. So guys, look at how this fish looks. Looking so yummy. So yummy. Keep tuned still. So see guys how juicy it is. It looks. Looking so yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll just try and see how inside looks. So as you can see. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, I love fish. So guys, thank you for viewing this video. Give my video a like. So tasty. Spicy. This is my fish now. So I'll be so grateful if you give it a like. I'll be so grateful if you subscribe if at all you have not subscribed. And please try this out. It's so nice.